Hi guys, Currency Games here with another episode for you. Today was a quiet day for me on both EURJPY and Eurgbp. To be fair, I did see a setup playing out on EURUSD in early London session. However, we just didn't get the price action we needed, because what I was looking at was this fair value gap. Because if you recall, yesterday I was watching this fair value gap here, and our new price was going to hold here. And I was looking for a price to push up maybe into this fair value gap or this fair value gap to continue downwards. And because of that, and because we created another fair value gap here, early London session, I was calling 98,020 as my drawn liquidity. Put a post on my Insta saying this is what I was looking for price to reach. Now when we did come down into this fair value gap here on the H1, if you notice, there was not really any sort of clean entries at all, which is quite annoying in all fairness, because I was ready to go long. I was so ready to go long, but I just needed an entry pattern to form, like a nice entry pattern, but we just didn't get it at all, to be fair. It's just one of those things, I guess, you know. Sometimes your entry pattern's not gonna form the way you want it to form. It's just how it happens, to be fair. It is what it is, one of those things. But yeah, that was EU. And in regards to EG, EG came and took out this daily high here. I wasn't really looking at EG that much. That was mainly focused on EU, especially throughout London. So I didn't really focus on EG, to be honest with you. I was not really looking at this pair today. But we did have a decent setup here, you could say. Took out the daily high here, nice H12 high, and came into this H4 block and sold off. But again, I was not really looking at EEG at all today. Today I was looking for that setup on EU to go long, and this was my target here, but we just didn't get it, which is quite annoying, man. Just want these weeks like this where you take, like, you know where price is going, but you just don't get the entries, man. It's annoying, but it is what it is, one of those things. Anyway, let me go into what I see happening tomorrow or Friday. EU is looking quite nice, I'll be honest with you. Sell side liquidity here. It's my target for tomorrow. Simple as. That's pretty much it. We've if you look on a daily time frame, for me it's looking quite daily time frame is not that convincing at the moment, I'll be honest with you, because we're in this block. But the H12 has reacted off this candle, this order block here, and this fair value gap, and this low resting there, this sell side liquidity resting just here. It looks very convincing to me, to be honest. Very, very convincing to take out that low tomorrow, hopefully. And if we take out this low, we close below it, possibly aim for this low and this low. That's why on the H4, I'm looking for these lows to get taken out. Bearing in mind, we have filled this H12 fair value gap, and this is what I was saying to you yesterday. We've made this area here on the H4 when we filled that H12 fair value gap, and we broke market structure here. And look how price just came back into this zone, tapped this fair value gap, and look how it's sold off, pretty much rejected it nicely. So this level down here, I would like to see get taken out tomorrow as my draw on liquidity, unless anything changes. Just gotta wait and see. But yeah, shorts pretty much tomorrow. EG is a bit confusing at the moment. If you look at the H12, we've taken out the sell side liquidity below this low and tapped in this fair value gap again. However, if you then look on the daily, we've taken out the daily high. So you see, my problem lies now. it got things going both ways. Now, in regards to H12, taking out this low and having this fair value gap up here, we could tap into it. And with this fair value gap being up here, we also have the body of this daily candle that we could tap into as well. So EG tomorrow, I'm probably not going to trade it. Again, it'll just be E focused day, and just trying to hone in and get sells in if I can to target this low. So yeah, that's me for tomorrow. And yeah, guys, that's all. Today was nice and short. Yeah, man, have a good night, guys.